Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. Pasensya na kayo guys, medyo mahina ang boses natin ngayon dahil ang dami ng tulog sa paligid ko. Baka maka-istorbo. Okay, and if you are new to my channel, please one, subscribe. Two, like. Share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. 3. Like. Leave a comment. Subscribe. 4. Subscribe. Alright. Our lesson for today is still on statistics. How do you construct a bar graph? This is for grade 7 mathematics, 4th quarter, at week 4. This is teacher Marife Adonis, and I will explain the lesson in English and Filipino. So, the bar graph. A bar graph is a graph which uses horizontal or vertical bars to represent data. When a bar graph has bars which extend from left to right is called a horizontal bar graph. On the other hand, if the bars extend from bottom to top, it is called a vertical bar graph. In vertical bar graph, the vertical line is called the scale of the bar graph, while in horizontal bar graph, the horizontal line is the scale of the bar graph. It is also called a columnar diagram. The bar diagrams are drawn through columns of equal width. Following rules were observed while constructing a bar graph. A. The width of all bars or columns are similar. B. All the bars should are placed on equal intervals or distance, and bars are shaded with colors or patterns to make them distinctive. Types of bar graphs. There are three types of bar graphs used to represent different data sets. The simple bar diagram, the compound bar diagram, a polybar diagram. Alright, so let's talk about the simple bar diagram. A simple bar diagram is constructed for an immediate comparison. It is advisable to arrange the given data set in an ascending or descending order and plot the data variables accordingly. However, time series data are represented according to the sequencing of time period. The simple bar diagram, no, this is an example. So, mapansin nyo dito is sa axis, we have the vertical axis and the horizontal axis. So, these are the rainfall in centimeters. So, the rainfall uh, for every month, no? So, pansin nyo dito pala makita nyo, the highest rainfalls on June. Yeah, June. Next, we have compound bar diagram. When different components are grouped in one set of variable or different variables of one component are put together, the representation is made by a compound bar diagram. In this method, different variables are shown in a single bar with different rectangles. Compound bar diagram this is the example. So we have the electricity in billion kilowatt per hour, and versus the thermal, hydro, and nuclear. So, hydrothermal, it's all these are also other forms, no, of the. This why this is a comparison. Ah. So, ano yung pinagkukunan? Thermal, hydro, or nuclear form of electricity. Okay, next, we have polybar diagram. The line and the bar graphs are drawn different separately, may also be combined to depict the data related to the sum of the closely associated characteristics such as the climatic data of mean monthly temperatures and rainfall, such as this one, no? So we have here a line graph and the bar graph, no? So the line graph represents the rainfall in centimeters, and on the other side we have the temperature, no, in centimeter, and also the line graph, and the bar graph is the rainfall in centimeter per temperature in degrees Celsius. So that's the comparison. Next, the steps in constructing a bar graph. First, give the title of the bar graph. Second, determine the level for its axis of the graph. 3. Decide if the vertical or horizontal bar graph will be used. And 4. Draw bars with the same width and space them evenly on one axis. The height of the bar corresponds to the frequency of the data. Okay, so we have example here. Arnold surveyed a sample of people at basketball game to find out their favorite drinks. Okay, so we have here. Okay, and we will use this, we will be using this graph paper. Okay, so highlighter. Okay, so pen muna gamitin natin. No? Or parang gusto ko yung ano eh. Ayan, highlighter na lang. Then we will use different colors. Na? Pare-pareho pwede, pero pwede, no? So, for cola, we have 25. So, pwede natin ilagay dito. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Kulayan natin. Okay. So there are 25. No, the frequency. There are 25 people drink cola, and then root beer, or root beer, again root beer, root beer. We have 20. So we will use another color to distinguish. So these two. Yan. Okay. Huwag niyo akong gayahin, guys. Mas maganda yung punong-puno ng kulay, yung ganyan, no? Ayan. Para madaling ma-distinguish. Kaya lang, patagal kasi to. Then, lemon. We will use yellow for the lemon. So, there are 10 people drink lemon. Ayan. Okay. So, ayan. Then, there are, for fruit juice, so, okay, there are 15 people drinking fruit juice. Okay. Yan, maganda pag iba-ibang kulay. Ayan. So, kulayan nyo mabuti, ganyan ninyo, ha. Kasi, hindi ko lang inaano kulayan lahat kasi para maksilang ang ating oras. And then, for the iced tea, okay, we will use black. 12. There are 12 people. So, dito siya banda, no? Ayan, okay. So, ganyan lang po ang paggawa ng yan. So, nice, right? Next. So we have here another. We will use horizontal bar graph. No? So kanina vertical bar graph. Dito naman ay horizontal. Ha? So pahiga naman. So katulad yan yung iced tea natin nasa 12. Gamitin natin to ulit yung black. Okay, pag gano'n, no? Yan. So pwede ganyan. Yan. Ayan, ayan. Okay. Oops. Pagpas next, yung fruit juice natin, 15. I use this color. 15. So, aabot siya doon. Ayun. Ayan. Ang galing, di ba? Next, ang ating root beet ay 20. We use green, root beet for green. Actually, kahit anong color. So, lemon muna. Lemon is yellow. Lemon is 10. Lemon is 10. Okay. Yan. And then, the fruit beet. May fruit na pala. Yeah. Yung fruit is 15. The ice is 12. Lemon is 10. Root beet is 20. Ayan. Dito banda. O, diba? Ang ganda ng kulay. Ayan. Ay, sorry. Lagpas. Huwag nyo nga guys pagpalagpasin ha. Ano lang, kung saan lang yung kanyang ayan o. Huwag nyo lang kung gayahin kasi ang hirap i-control ng kamay ko. Next, we will use another color for the ice. We are now in cola, which is, okay, the color of the cola is, we will use blue. Cola, there are 25 people love cola, no? So, sa totoo lang, mostly, no, we are used to drink cola. Yan, ganda ng kulay. Punuin nyo lang po yan, ha? So, this is the graph, the horizontal line. For questions and clarifications, just write it at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. And before I go, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the contents of this channel. I love you all. Bye-bye.